Hello everybody, in this video we are going to discuss sequences and series chapter in the maths. Continuation is problems on arithmetic progression part 4. In problems we are discussing part 4. Up to part 3 already 6 problems are done. Now here in this video we will discuss 7th and 8th problem. So let us see the solution for the 7th one first. Given sum of three numbers in AP is 27. Product of first and last is 77. What are the three numbers? Here they have mentioned sum of three numbers in an AP. Means any three numbers in AP, their sum is 27. But not first three numbers. Any three numbers in AP, their sum is 27 and three numbers is there. So what is the direct? A minus D, A plus D. These are the any three numbers in an AP. If in the question it is mentioned as first three terms, then we used to take as A plus D, A plus 2D. In the question there is no first three numbers. It is any three numbers. Sum of any three numbers in AP. We'll take as A minus D, A plus D of the form. So what is given? Sum of their three numbers in an AP is 27. What is the sum of this? A minus D plus A minus D is equals to 27 is given. Minus D and yes, here plus D. Plus D and minus D get cancelled. A plus A is 3A. 3A is equals to 27. RHS is 27. So what will be A value here? A value is 27 by 3. 3 comes to the RHS, it becomes division. 27 by 3 is 9. We have got A value is 9. And second condition is product of first and last is 77. This is the first one, A minus D, and last is A plus D. Given product is 77. So A minus D into A plus D given as 77 given. A minus D into A plus D. It is in the form of A minus B into A plus B. Formula is A square minus B square direct. So A square minus D square is equals to 77. And from the first condition we have got A value as 9. So substitute here in the A value 9. 9 square, it is 81. 81 minus D square is equals to 77. So minus D square is equals to 77 minus 81. Plus 81 goes to RHS, it becomes minus. 77 minus 81. It is minus 4. Minus gets cancelled. So D will be 2. D is 2 and A is 9. So what are here asked, what are the numbers? The numbers are of the form A minus D, A plus D. So what is A minus D? 9 minus 2. A is 9, D is 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. A value is 9 and A plus D. A plus D is 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. So given three numbers are 7, 9, 11 for this question is the answer. There are numbers, right? Those numbers are 7, 9, 11 is the answer. Now let us discuss solution for the 8th one. Eighth one given as sum of 222, 224, 226 up to so on 888. We will have to find the sum. So there is a formula for the sum to n terms. But here, one second. Here number of terms is not given first. N is also not given. So first to find the n value, we can substitute this formula. A nth term is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. If we solve this, we get n value. See, A value is first term 222, D value is 224 minus 222, it is 2, N value we don't know, and A nth term, this is the nth term given as 888. So let us substitute. Given 888 is equals to A value is 222 plus n minus 1 into n we have to find, D value is 2 here. First of all subtract 222. 888 minus 222 we get 6. 666 is equals to 2 into n is 2n minus 2. 2 ones are 2. 666 minus 2 will send this side. It becomes plus 2. 668 is equals to 2n. So what is n value? We get n value as 334. N value is 334. Here was sum. So sum to n terms, there is a formula, right? Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So next step is we have to apply that formula and we have to solve. S nth term is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S nth is equals to S 334. We have got 334 as n. 334 by 2 into 2 into a value. First term is 222 plus 334 minus 1 into d. What is d value? Have got d value is 2. Okay. 334 by 2. 1, 13 here. 2 6 and 12. This is division. We get 167 as 334 by 2 is 167 and 222 into 2 444 plus 334 minus 1 is 333. 333 into 2 we get 666. 666. So 167 into what is 444 plus 666. 6 plus 4 10 11 1110. S 334 will get as 185370. 1,85,370. 167 into 1110 will get multiplication answer as 1,85,370. So here was the sum of this sequence. What is the sum of sequences? 1,85,370 is the answer. So in this video we have discussed two problems, that is 7th problem and 8th problem on the arithmetic progression. Thank you.